Writing a book or long-form project often starts with a blank page, but quickly grows into an entire world of characters, timelines, and scattered notes, which is why tools like Novelcrafter and Scrivener have become so popular. Novelcrafter focuses on making the planning stage as smooth as possible. It offers templates for character sheets, world-building elements, and chapter outlines, so when you start a new project, you can immediately slot your ideas into ready-made frameworks. Because it is web-based, you can access your work from any device and share it with collaborators or beta readers without juggling files. The interface encourages linking scenes, characters, and locations, which makes complex stories easier to track, and updates roll out automatically without needing to install anything. This model suits writers who value flexibility, team input, or the ability to write from different devices seamlessly. Scrivener, in contrast, is a powerhouse for solo writers who like to control every aspect of their workspace. It lets you break your manuscript into smaller sections and rearrange them using a corkboard or outline view. You can store research, images, and notes alongside your chapters, and export your project into multiple publishing formats. Because it's a desktop program, it doesn't depend on an internet connection, and its feature set has been refined over many years based on author feedback. However, the learning curve can be steep, and syncing between devices requires extra steps, like Dropbox or external drives. Pricing also plays a role. Novelcrafter typically uses a subscription model with different tiers for storage and collaboration, while Scrivener is a one-time purchase with optional paid upgrades. Writers who dislike ongoing fees may prefer Scrivener, whereas those who like constant updates and cloud access might lean toward Novelcrafter. Ultimately, the choice between Novelcrafter and Scrivener comes down to how you like to work. If you want a modern, collaborative, cloud-first tool that handles planning and drafting in one place, Novelcrafter feels fresh and adaptable. If you prefer a mature, highly customizable offline environment with robust export options, Scrivener remains a strong contender, shaping not only your writing process, but also how you manage your creative universe, from idea to finished manuscript.